Hi, Judd here. Time to make the donuts. Gotta start cutting up this stuff, getting it out to the curb. The county is going to do curbside pickup of hurricane debris. So I've got all these brittle trees, weed trees, crap trees down. So I gotta get them out to the curb. Oh, how cool is this? I gotta set this up. Here's this mess. It used to be a garden, and it became just a trash heap. Although I've got those new little bushes I'm trying out. And so anyways, I set up my tripod over there to cut up all those branches. And I turn around and I look at this. Despite everything that's happened here, still got that one little Mexican petunia coming in. Isn't that amazing? That's a beauty too. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. God. We're gonna stop calling that a Mexican petunia and call it a Judd flower, because the only thing that won't die in Judd's yard. That and the Severius, those don't die either. Time to chop. I got out the chainsaw. We're gonna chop them up. Got a tangle in the dangle. So I gotta mess with the chainsaw for a little bit. Fix that up, and good time to take a break because it's getting hot out there. Nothing like what we had, a month ago. In fact, the last couple of nights have been rather cool, and but it is getting hot now. Working out there in the hot, sweaty sun. Woo! So we'll take a little break and then get back at it. Whoa, man! I was wondering why the AC wasn't working because we lost power. Power's gone. See, no icons in the microwave or toaster oven. And wow, that explains why my chainsaw wouldn't even turn on. I wonder if this is me or everywhere in the area, because I am independent of my neighbors, actually. I come in on a different line. Anyway, we'll see how long this lasts. My breakers are all good, so it ain't me. So I've had my little break, and I'm going to go back out and see what I can do by hand. Hot as it is, but I've got the pool. The pool's nice and clean now. I've run the filter for the last 48 hours, the big heavy filter. There's still a lot of sand and dirt in the bottom of the pool, but all the crap is out of the water, so the water's clear now. So I've got that, if nothing else. If the power doesn't come back, I can always jump in the pool. But I'd like to have my AC back. I never thought I'd say that. Whew, it's humid. Okay, back to work. Okay, I think that's going to be a wrap for the day. I'm bushed, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. But who knows, 6 o'clock I might be back out here, I never know. Anyway, we'll just take a look. Here's what I got up to the road, by hook or by crook. And when I finished that, I thought I was done. I forgot about the corner. So we go down and go right through here now. Get a little scratchy, but at this point, that isn't mattering a whole lot. Okay, then I went into the corner. I got all that stuff out, and some of it you can see is still in there. I've loosened it, but I haven't pulled it all the way out yet. But that's all got to get up to the side of the road. Why don't we do it in the road? Why don't we do it in the road? Somebody's going to pick it up. Let's do it in the road. But also all the live bushes that are left behind have been kind of crushed. So I've got a couple of dips in my force field. Anyway, there we go. Remember, the petunia bloomed. That is friggin' amazing. I love that. Oop, sticks to me. Okay. Think I ought to hit the pool. Oh, well. Hey, if I don't make it back, happy day to you.